What is up, guys? It's Reese again, Rad Reese back at it again. I'm just thinking, can't do any, I'm trying to do a video at the moment to get that uploaded for you. It's a special little, well, not special little video, but it's something fun we did yesterday, just while it was super hot, and it's super hot again. I haven't got any more video ideas, so I thought I might as well just give the car a clean, the Mini, the car. The MR2 at the moment's been fixed, in a sense, because of the back brake. It's fully clamped on, so we're fixing that at the moment. We're just going to give the Mini a quick wash. We're going to use some shampoo, get the jet wash out, and yeah, I'm just going to do a quick little video of that, just for something to do. Hope you enjoy. Brilliant. Let's switch the water on. Now for the shiny stuff. Demon Foam by Carplan. Brilliant stuff, honestly. It's the first ever like car shampoo kind of thing I used for with jet wash and things like that, but it is absolutely brilliant for what it is. So you only need a little bit just to start it off, but then you need to start topping it up every time you start doing it again. But this thing worked brilliantly. To let it sit, but I'm just going to get straight to it because I'm wasting quite a bit of water. Never put your fingers in front of this, it hurts a lot.